Check this out, guys. SQQQ is making new highs now at $49 a share, up 13%. I'm not sure if you guys know this, but the NASDAQ market is on track for one of the worst months ever since 2008. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. We actually talked about this in today's live trading session. We were in SQQQ. Did I expect the market to absolutely dump? No, not like this, right? I would have stepped on the gas a little bit harder. We had a lot of fun in today's live trading session. If you guys didn't check it out, check out today's earlier videos. I upload new videos every single day. So if you're getting into the stock market, make sure you subscribe. And of course, join my free Discord chat. And that's that first link down below. So let me answer this very simple question. What is causing the market to drop? Well, there's three factors, really three variables, right, that have been factored into the market: interest rates, inflation, and when Russia was attacking Ukraine. The overall idea of things are getting worse to some degree, right? Today, the Feds announced that they anticipate to front load raising interest rates for the month of May and for the month of June. After that, they plan to slow down on raising interest rates as aggressive as what they're doing now. I think that's really just getting factored into the market. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's all about intent and planning. Trust me, things definitely do look bad. I mean, with the idea of the NASDAQ market having one of its worst months ever since 2008, I mean, that's a statement within itself. There's no way to sugarcoat it. Do I think that SQQQ is a good buy? Heck no. I think it's bullish. I think momentum is in its favor because fear is getting instilled in the market. I think that's great, right? So for all of our Learn Plan Profit members that killed it with SQQQ today, congratulations. But you know that our focus every single day is to manage and mitigate risk. So locking in profits shouldn't really be a question, right? Because you could always re-enter. The question that I'm really beginning to ask myself is that when's the last time that we've seen Amazon drop 14 or 15%? Check this out. I'm going to go back to the single screen and you guys can see that Amazon, I'm not here to convince you. If you don't want to invest in Amazon, please do not, right? It's all about your intention. Amazon dropped 14%. From where we're at as of right now, if Amazon were to recover, it does not have to, and it does not have to anytime soon. 52%. In my opinion, this is just 100% my opinion, I think Amazon is essential to our economy. If I'm not mistaken, nearly 50% of the e-commerce in the United States is from no other Amazon. That's huge, right? A company that is not only just, yeah, it had a rough quarter, but not only showing signs of continuous growth. I mean, I would have to say, in my opinion, they're one of the truest monopolies in today's market. And I personally think it's pretty cool. 52% ROI is what Amazon has to offer if it were to make a full recovery. But you're right, it can get worse, 100%. The thing that I really like about Amazon and stocks like Tesla right now that are pulling on back, and I'm telling you this as not only am I invested, but I plan to invest into them a little bit more. I think that they can continue to drop. As long as this market sentiment, as long as this fear continues to get installed into the market, 100%, the market reacts right away. But if your intention is not to sell anytime soon, if your intention is to buy now, trading and investing is just a side hustle, and you want to buy now, put some money away, and then a year or 2 years from now, you want it to then actually grow in value. We talk about this all the time. Every previous recession was viewed as an opportunity. Every current pullback is viewed as a risky time to invest. But why? It's because it's very easy to always look back and be like, look what happened. The market recovered. And that's one thing that always happens. So I'm definitely not here to convince you. But I do think that you should take time and look at the stocks that you are invested in and really begin to cherry pick. You don't have to be invested in 5 or 10 different stocks. Be selective. Be careful with your position size. But don't be scared. Our job as traders and our job as investors is not to avoid risk. It's to simply manage it and to make sure that our upside outweighs our downside. And along the way, by managing your position size, and then when direction's in your favor, that's when we step on the gas. The beautiful thing about knowing when to effectively trade and invest. That's what I'm most excited about. So it was really cool to see that the market went up yesterday. We locked in profits, no harm in that. But one of the things that I kind of began to scratch my head about was like, man, like yesterday Tesla, if I'm not mistaken, was at like 900 and what was it? Hit highs of 890, and then today it hit highs of 920. I was kind of like, dang, I wish I would have bought it at a lower price point because I want to buy more Tesla. I want to buy more Amazon. I want to buy more Apple. I really do. And I don't need it to recover anytime soon. And again, that's my intention. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it not recovering anytime soon. For our day traders, market direction is not in our favor, so it makes more sense to short or to trade inverse ETFs as the market bleeds. Let it bleed. Because why? Because the more it bleeds, the cheaper that these stocks get, the better deals that we can get. That's the beautiful thing about the stock market. It's horrible for those that did not prepare, but it's an amazing opportunity for those that did. And that's our job, to prepare for the best case scenario at one of the worst times. So when the market's bullish and everyone then is buying at all-time highs, that's when we lock in profits. It's understanding how the market works. This is not something that is going to happen overnight. This is not something that's going to be easy. There's going to be the mental warfare. There's going to be the challenges, the obstacles, the questioning of if I should give up. But again, all we ever are here to do is to encourage you to not put yourself in a position that you simply cannot tolerate. So if you're just getting started in the stock market, I would love the opportunity to help you plan out your next trade. So again, first link in the description, that's my free Discord chat. I trade live every morning and I only do it exclusively with our Learn Plan Profit group. So today we are running one of our biggest sales ever and it does end tonight. It's $150 off to our Learn Plan Profit 2.0 and it's all inclusive. If you're an absolute beginner, it includes our 70 plus A to Z video lesson library videos, our daily live trading session, our private Discord chat, and of course, access to my Tech Buds HQ. It's an office building that I bought in Chandler, Arizona. It's a total of 7,000 square feet, 15 offices, and it's exclusive to our Learn Plan Profit 2.0 members at no additional cost. One-time payment, lifetime access, all included, today only, $150 off. If you're ready to join our team, I personally think as the market's selling off and we're lower than we were, check this out. I actually wanted to show you this. We are lower where we were. I actually want to check with SQQQ. We are lower where we were than where we were when Russia attacked Ukraine. Yes, that's scary to some degree, but it's also exciting because companies like Amazon, companies like Apple that we know are not going anywhere. They're going to stay here. They're pretty cheap and they offer great upside. And that's what I find to be most exciting. It's you prepare when everyone else is scared and you sell when everyone else is excited. Beautiful, right? I'm really looking forward to speaking to you guys. Again, I'd love to connect. All the links are down in the description and hope to see some of you guys in our live trading session on Monday. I appreciate you guys' time. Hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.